Okay, this is a quick demo of the new cinematic mode in the Xiaomi FIMI A3 drone. New feature just came out recently. You will need to update the transmitter as well as the flight controller software. Link to the firmware is down in the description to download that software, and also put a link to the FIMI A3 video that shows you how to do the firmware updates. There's already a video that shows you how to do that. It's pretty easy to do. And yeah, basically this mode here, it slows down the gimbal, so the little dial on the transmitter that makes the gimbal go up and down, that is greatly slowed down in this mode, as well as all the sticks are slowed down as well. Throttle, yaw especially, and roll and pitch are all slowed down, as you can see here, and the demo is very slow, very smooth. If you do push the sticks over all the way, it does go faster, but it's still slower than the normal mode speed. But if you need to get somewhere fast, you don't want to be in this mode because the drone is slowed down quite a bit, so just be aware of that. If you're in a lot of wind, for example, you don't want to be using this mode in those kind of conditions, because you might have trouble getting anywhere with that. But if you're, want to get like really smooth, slow, cinematic type footage, this is the mode that you're going to want to be in, and everything is nice and slow and smooth. And yeah, it's really great that FIMI is actually continuing to add new features to their drone, the software, and as you can see, as you saw in the picture before, this is actually something that gets added to the transmitter, so it's a new mode that's in there that wasn't in there before. So it's good that they're continuing to add new features to this drone, even though the drone's been released for a while now. You've probably seen several videos on my channel already from this drone, and hopefully they'll add some more things. One of the things I'm hoping that they'll add pretty soon is some picture profiles, so we can get a nice flat picture profile, but so far not yet, but who knows, that might be coming later. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, this is a really good demonstration of how slow you can get your footage on this particular drone, if that's something you're looking for, and that's something I thought that was missing previously. I'm glad that they put that in there. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.